We are on a 24 Hyundai Palisade. We're doing something a little different today. We're going to use a Lonsdor, which I never use. I think this is a 518 Pro. I've already went through and selected the vehicle and then remembered I should probably make a video. I did already buy the pin because it's just what I'm used to doing. I don't know if this machine will pull it, so I just bought it intending to use my Altel. And I forgot that the Altel likes to freeze overnight, and I forgot to warm it up this morning, so we're on the Lonsdor. 438. I already forgot. 291. 291. This happens every year at the beginning of cold season. The Altel likes to freeze overnight, and then it takes me probably a month to remember that and to warm it up in the morning. And today was not that day. It was damn cold last night. As soon as I figure out what I did with the key for this, we'll program it. There it is. Alright, so we're at Carvana. We're adding one to there, so it's a Hyundai Kia. You got to do it as all keys lost anyway. Pair the smart keys, hit OK, and then hold the start button. OK. There's one. Put theirs back in. Okay. Okay. Hold the button. Bing, bang, boom. There's two. Cancel. Program complete. Successfully. Smart key count 2. Alright, so we'll exit out. Make sure my remotes work. 1. There's 2. So, I mean, it's a little bit easier with the Lonsdor. You don't have to go through diagnostic like you do with Altel. It's just a regular emo programming job. Like I said, I don't know if this will pull the pin. I'd already bought it, but I'll try and find out on the next one.